Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Quiz Hits. Let's get started and have a blast. Welcome to our Community Helper Quiz. Test your knowledge about the everyday heroes who make our communities thrive. I wear a white coat and stethoscope, too, to check your health and help you feel new. Who am I? Yes, I am a doctor. I stand in front of a class all day, teaching math, science, and play. Who am I? Yes, I am a teacher. I rush into fires with courage and might to save lives and keep everyone safe at night. Who am I? You are correct. I am a firefighter. I design bridges, buildings, and more using math and science to solve problems galore. Who am I? Yes, I am an engineer. In the early morning, I mix and knead, baking bread and cakes, fulfilling every need. Who am I? Yes, I am a baker. I work with leather, stitching shoes with care, making sure everyone has footwear to wear. Who am I? Yes, I am a cobbler. I bring letters and parcels your way, riding my bike every day. Who am I? Yes, I am a postman. I work on a field with crops to grow. I plant, I water, and reap what I sow. Who am I? You are correct. Yes, I am a farmer. With scissors and comb, I snip and style, making haircuts fun with a smile. Who am I? Yes, I am a barber. If your tap is leaking or your sink is slow, I fix the pipes to make water flow. Who am I? Yes, I am a plumber. It's trivia time. Are you ready? Find the odd brick out? I use bricks and cement all day to build strong houses where people stay. Who am I? Yes, I am a mason. I fix the lights and wires that spark, so your home isn't left in the dark. Who am I? Excellent! I am an electrician. I drive a vehicle, big or small, to take you places, one and all. Who am I? Yes, I am a driver. I sew and stitch your clothes so neat, making shirts, pants, and dresses sweet. Who am I? Yes, I am a tailor. If someone's hurt or feeling ill, I care for them with patience and skill. Who am I? Amazing! Yes, I am a nurse.